Hello everybody, welcome to Toronto, welcome to Ontario and welcome to Canada. Another country and yet another hotel room in 360 degrees on the travels of Balazs blog. This time I'm staying at the Bond Place Palace? No, I'm staying at the Bond Place Hotel in Toronto, and although the room is really cute and the location is superb, I had so many issues with this hotel, and the thing is that it wasn't even the fault of the hotel. I arrived very late yesterday with a 4-hour delay on the plane, so I got to the hotel around 10 p.m. and we received the keys and everything instantly. The front desk was very friendly, and I got a very nice room on the 16th floor with a interesting view. And they also informed us that there will be a water shortage. And when I got up in the room at 10:30, there was, water was still running. But I had to go down to get some things sorted, and when I got back to the room, water was gone. And this happens. The city closed the water for some emergency things. I don't really know why, but it is extremely uncomfortable to be in a hotel room without water. Fine. I mean, the next morning you can take a shower, everything will be fine. Then unfortunately at 2 in the morning the fire alarm went off, and it kept on ringing and ringing and ringing for a very long time. And I think it was at 2:30 when the fire brigade left, and there was no fire, or they put up the fire, or something was done. In the meantime, there were some weak communication from the front desk. We couldn't reach them on the phone, which is obviously normal. And then on the loudspeakers inside the hotel, they said that stay in your room, and if there's anything happening, we will inform you. Now that information didn't really come on time, and this was just very uncomfortable. Yet, let alone that there was no water. So I wake up this morning, beautiful weather, and I can see the many details in the room, which is amazing. It's a very cute room, and there's still not water. And I know it's not the fault of the hotel, but it became one of the most uncomfortable nights in my life in a hotel room. But to be fair with the hotel, I want to show you how cute and trendy this room is, and all the other problems probably you will not face when you arrive to Toronto. So, once you get to the room, there's this large queen bed, which was very comfortable. So I had, well, I'm not saying I had a good night's sleep because it was very, very short, but it was comfortable. Actually, I was so tired that I could have slept on the floor and it would have been an alright sleep. Large windows, one side of the room is windows, which is awesome because there's lots of lights coming in. The view of this one is, well, it's not the best. There's the Ed Murvish Theatre just down the street, and there's also the Times Square of Toronto located at the end of the street. That's, what's it called? That's Dundas and Yonge, the corner of Dundas and Yonge. Some skyscrapers, the sun is coming in this morning, so it's pretty cool. There's a large desk under a large air conditioning unit. You can sit on this trendy chair, you can read some stuff here. There are a lot of electric plugs, which is amazing. And this one even has a USB plug. It's too bad that they did not mark it, and you don't really know if that's for USBs. I know it because I have an eye for these. And next to the bed there is an alarm clock. Now interestingly, it has this old-fashioned iPhone charger, which no one uses anymore. So I think an adapter would be needed in order so people can use this function. There are 2 lights next to the bed for reading. There are these trendy light bulbs, and the wallpaper is really cool because it's the map of Toronto. Huge TV. Room for your luggage. There's a coffee maker, but since there's no water, cannot make coffee, but they provide you with Arabica coffee, and this one, and decaf coffee and tea. There's also a little fridge, an empty fridge, which is working, so at least there is electricity. You can put your stuff in the wardrobe. There's an ironing board, an iron, and a robe, and extra pillows. It's It's very practical and functional. Now inside the bathroom, I don't know, I haven't experienced it actually. So last night when I came to the room around, I don't know, maybe at 1 a.m, tiny little drops of water were coming out from the faucet. Now it's nothing. But last night I could fill 2 glasses with water, and I was smart enough not to flush the toilet right after I came up. So this morning there was still 1 portion of water inside. I have no idea what I would have done if that's not the case. But they said it was going to last for only a few hours. Now it's been like, I don't know, 8 hours. The products, it's lemongrass and citronelle by Truterra. Never heard of these. You have a conditioner, you have shampoo, and you have body lotion. And unfortunately all of them are useless. I cannot really show you how good the water pressure is, but the shower itself, it's very cool and it's large. There's also breakfast at the hotel. I haven't experienced it yet. And there's one more negative thing. When I checked in, they said you have to pay for Wi-Fi. Come on, this is 2018, we are in downtown Toronto. Why do I have to pay for Wi-Fi? It's around 10 Canadian dollars, tax included, for 24 hours. I mean, you don't provide internet, not even free in the lobby. That's just lame. So with all these things that are, well, this is a fault of the hotel, but all the others with the fire brigades and the fire alarm and the water is not the fault of the hotel. Yet, I mean, it was very unfortunate and unlucky for the hotel that I stayed here this night and I experienced all of this. Well, that's it. What can you do? I'm looking forward to the next few days. I'm leaving the hotel not because of this, but I originally planned for 1 night staying in Toronto, and I'm heading to Niagara Falls. Hopefully there will be some water there, not only in the waterfalls but also at the hotel. So check out my other videos, other travel adventures with Balazs, subscribe to my channels, and see you at the next adventure. Bye.